The training starts with a brand orientation introducing Solflex Solid Surface, their standards, and how the material should be handled and applied correctly. This step is important. It ensures that everyone working with the product understands that it's not just what it is, but how and why it's used. The live demos focus on proper application. Each step, from cutting to joining and finishing, is demonstrated clearly, emphasizing correct techniques and best practices. This kind of training helps avoid mistakes, improves results, and ensures that the final output meets Solflex quality standards. Participants are encouraged to observe closely, ask questions, and understand the details that matter, because proper learning leads to better execution.